Okay, this is an 09 Dodge Ram Laramie. It had a bad blend air actuator. Here's the old one. As you can see, the teeth tore out of here. There's a lot of flapping noise behind the dash. Took the dash apart and found this. Alright, here's the new one, completely brand new, single zone. Alright.
Got it from the Dodge dealership, right?
Yes, the only place I could find it was at the dealership.
For
Mopar.
$28?
Yeah, it was like $25, $26. It was a Mopar part. Alright, there are 3 areas to pull out screws. There's star screws up here. Right, they're rated at 220 torque. Get the right one. Once you get that out, these are semi-easy. Pull this out down here. And then the last set of screws is behind this panel. You lift this up, you'll see the little screwdriver slot down there. You see that? You put it in it, pull it out. It sounds a bit risky, but it's fine. In there. Try not to scratch nothing out. There you go. There's a screw that's supposed to be there. The dealership did not put back when they replaced my U-Connect. Alright, that's the rest of the screws. It's the only spots that'll have screws. This here is probably one of the harder things to take off. It's pretty easy in the front, but you have to work your way around and try to not break it. See, there's 2 tabs in the front, 3 tabs in the back to make sure you get all of them. Of course, there's 2 on the sides. This part just pops off. You gotta move all this stuff out of the way. This just pops up like this. Put that back there. Alright, this here takes a little effort. Comes off pretty easy, it's all clips. There we go. Pull the obvious plugs out. You don't have to worry about, remember where they go. They all have their own slot.
You have to push that button, the little button, this one right here.
Get your fingers in there.
for this one, there's a little button right there that you have to push before you push it up. The camera, you can't get it. No, it's on this. Here, you can hold the camera. You see it? It's like right there, right on top of it.
This right here?
No. Here, hold the camera, I'll get it.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It was not this hard last time. There we go. Or not. There we go. Oh, it's not coming out.
Oh, we'll leave it.
Okay.
There you go. See if you can see that clip right there. That's the harder one to do. You just gotta it's just hard to see. Push that down, lift this up, pull these together like that.
Yay.
You just gotta get it to where you can see it. This one here, there's another little switch right there. Pretty easy. Yeah, that's it. And then the whole dash comes off. Okay, and then as you can see, this is where the one goes there. You'll probably end up having to replace this one later on. But this one here, this is where it was sitting before. There's the little switches for it. If you don't have these plugged in, your headlights will not work on auto. And your AC will not blow hot or cold. Okay, here's the new one. This goes in thusly, like that. Grab my screws. Where did the screw go? I can't see the light down there. Oh, I see it. I just screw. Hard part's not dropping it down in there. Let's do this top.
You want me to put it in with my hand first?
No. Start that one right there. Keep it from moving. Probably use a stubby on this, but I don't have one, so we'll just make it work. I tighten it down too hard. There are plastic parts. Alright, well, the rest of it's just putting it back together. After that, you're turning a $200 job into a $25 job. And that's the end of our video.
Bye, good luck.